This video will address airports, airlines, and other list management. To access this area, under the Fasttrak menu settings, select the Airport, Airline, and Other List Management. In the following window, you will see a drop-down list that has the airlines, airports, trip types, booking category, booking source, reservation venue and landmarks, trip category, invoice adjustment type, and pay item detail type. Both invoice adjustment type and pay item detail type will be further explained in the billing and wages area. Just reminding you, this is the area where you can enter those items. Both the airline and airport lists come pre-populated with all of the airports and airlines of North America. Should you wish to delete any of these, simply highlight it and click the delete button. You may also edit the information or add additional airports and airlines. Trip type, booking category, booking source, and trip category are 4 items that are drop-down lists from within the reservation to help gather more information about the reservation. Both trip type and trip category are displayed on the main dispatch grid as well as on all trip sheets and confirmations. Booking category and booking source are internal notes to the reservation that allow you to run revenue reports later. All 4 are able to be generating revenue reports. Trip type are usually things such as directed, A to B transfers, point to points. It is also suggested you add arrival and departure into this section. Trip category tells you a little bit more about the trip type. Things such as wedding, shuttles, proms. If you are in a market that services more than one airport, it is recommended that you enter those airport codes in here, which will give you more information on the screen as to what type of arrival or what type of departure it is. Booking category and booking source. Booking category is a type of job that it may be. Is it a corporate job, a medical job, a retail job? You can add, edit, and delete any one of these. Booking source, telling you where the reservation came from. Was it an internet search from the website, Yellow Pages, referral? You may add, edit, and delete any of these. Please keep in mind that none of them are required when entering reservations. However, they are helpful later when generating revenue reports. Reservation venue would include landmarks. In here, you may delete any of the existing ones you have entered or edit the information. You may also add new ones to the system by selecting the Add button. In doing so, type in the name of the venue and select from the list what type of venue it is. If you have not entered the venue type yet, you may enter it here, and the next time you enter that venue type, it will be available to select. So you could enter golf courses, funeral homes, bars, whatever you would like to add. Enter the address. Please keep in mind that by entering the address, you are able to map directly using the free integrated mapping system within the Fasttrak program. Phone numbers, cross streets, reference points for your drivers, as well as any notes, such as only drop at east door, do not pull into front driveway. All of these items in this list are selectable from within the reservation, whether it be the venues, the booking categories, the sources, airports, and airlines. By selecting any of these from within the reservation, it helps speed up the process of adding new reservations and increasing consistency throughout the reservations. There is also a function here of venue import if you had an existing venue list of landmarks. By selecting that option, from this window you will see it must be a CSV format. We do provide a sample format if you would like to download it. There are specific rules about how the format must be set up and the columns. Once you have configured yours to match this sample, you may simply select on the Browse button, browse to the file you have saved, and then Import Data Now, which will then import all of the information to the system.